Good morning and welcome. You're watching the CommexFX Daily Outlook for Wednesday, March 11th. The euro declined 1.43% against the US dollar and closed at 1.0690. Yesterday, the ECB policymaker Benoit Coeure indicated that the central bank was on track to reach its projected volume in its first month of its new bond purchase plan and is confident that it would not witness any issues in finding adequate paper to buy. The pair is expected to find support at 1.0623 and the fall through could take it to the next support level of 1.0565. The pair is expected to find its first resistance at 1.0782 and the rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 1.0883. Trailing trends in the euro today are expected to be determined by the ECB Chief Draghi's speech scheduled in a few hours. The British pound fell 0.28% against the US dollar and closed at 1.5069. Yesterday, the Bank of England Chief Mark Carney opened that it would be extremely foolish to cut interest rate or expand quantitative easing, as the weakness in Britain's consumer price growth was mainly due to the low energy prices. Furthermore, he also added that he expects the nation's inflation to drop to zero and stay there for the rest of the year. The pair is expected to find support at 1.5036 and the fall through could take it to the next support level of 1.4995. The pair is expected to find its first resistance at 1.5110 and the rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 1.5144. Going forward, market participants would keep a close eye on Britain's industrial as well as manufacturing production data scheduled in a few hours. Additionally, the nation's NIESR GDP estimate for the 3 months ended February, slated for release later today, would grab a lot of market attention. The US dollar weakened 0.20% against the Japanese yen and closed at 121.10. Overnight data revealed that the nation's machine orders dropped 1.7% on a monthly basis in January, lower than market expectations for a 4% fall. The pair is expected to find support at 120.82 and the fall through could take it to the next support level of 120.24. The pair is expected to find its first resistance at 122.02 and the rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 122.63. Going forward, market participants would concentrate on Japan's BSI large manufacturing and tertiary industry index data scheduled overnight. The Australian dollar weakened 0.79% against the US dollar and closed at 0.7631. Yesterday, the Reserve Bank of Australia's Governor Christopher Kent stated that the Australian dollar was still having relevant value and continued to hamper the nation's economic growth. Data just released indicates that in China, Australia's biggest trading partner, retail sales rose 10.7% YOY, lower than market expectations for an advance of 11.7%. Overnight data indicated that Australia's Westpac Consumer Confidence Index dropped to a level of 99.5 in March. The pair is expected to find support at 0.7565 and the fall through could take it to the next support level of 0.7532. The pair is expected to find its first resistance at 0.7658 and the rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 0.7719. Looking ahead, investors will closely monitor Australia's consumer inflation expectation data scheduled in the early hours of tomorrow. The gold prices traded lower by 0.42% against the US dollar at 1161.90 per ounce on rising speculations that the US Fed would raise interest rates around mid-year. Separately, gold holdings of the SPDR Gold Trust, the world's largest gold-backed exchange-traded fund, edged down to 753.04 tons, from its previous level of 756.32 tons. The pair is expected to find support at 1153.93, and the fall through could take it to the next support level of 1145.96. The pair is expected to find its first resistance at 1169.73, and the rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 1177.56. CommexFX is now offering a new application. Download the brand new CommexFX TradeMate app right now and receive daily market information, suggested market directions to trade on, highlighted best trading options, and more, covering a wide range of markets including energy, metals, indices, and forex, among others. Trade easily, trade successfully. For more information on CommexFX TradeMate app, kindly visit our main website www.commexfx.com. Stay in the know by liking us on Facebook, following us on Twitter and Instagram, circling us on Google+, and of course, subscribing to our YouTube and CommexFX TV channels. Have a great trading day.